Abraham from Willowbrook has a question about plumbing.
Loves the show, wants to do some DIY plumbing.
Okay.
All right, so Abraham writes, I don't have a lot of money, so calling a plumber is a little out of the question right now. So I found a leak right here, and when I tried to turn the diverted spout of the pipe sticking out, snap.
Yo.
Yeah. he got himself a problem.
Yeah.
So now I can't take the rest of it out. Abraham isn't sure what to do next, Tom.
If you look at that picture, he's going to have to call a plumber. You know, that's a perfect example of what TDT does. Because if his pipe is broken like that there, it's throughout the whole system.
Yeah, I mean, if you
that's old galvanized pipe that is just rotting away.
Chris, go ahead and zoom in on this thing. You can see, look at all the corrosions building up inside this pipe already.
I know.
Probably half as
I'm telling you, his whole system is like that. So it's time to, I would call a plumber right now just to cap that off. But then I would start saving money and talk to TDT because you've got some real problems in that house. And it's going to start, we talk about pinhole leaks and how leaks start. That was a leak that started, and look what happened.
Yeah.
It's growing fast. And so you got a real problem there.
Is it
Abraham, I know you don't have the money, but somehow you're going to have to find a way to deal with it because this is not going to get better.
Look between the cushions on the couch. Maybe some
whatever it takes. But
but all kidding aside, he can't cap that himself. It's not possible.
I wouldn't try it because if he's going to have to spin that fitting off. It might break again and again and again. And that's galvanized pipe, and then you have to thread it.
And what happens if the connection he breaks is the one that's the other end of that run?
Well, that's what I mean.
Then he's really,
it's not like you can just put some tape on there. This isn't a Flex Seal moment.
It's not a Flex Seal moment.
Okay.
Okay.
You got some real problems with your pipes, and you need to have some professionals come in. But right now, what I would do is have someone come in and do their magic to cap it. Because I can't tell you, if I keep telling you you're just going to muscle it, it'll just keep breaking and doing weird things.
You got some brittle pipe there.
And and you can't just put a cap on the end. It has to be threaded. It's because it's galvanized. It's a real process.
Well, I imagine there's going to be some pressure behind it, so you can't tape it off because...
because if it's a water pipe, it's going. He has a water off, I'm sure, right now.
Must be, yeah.
If he turns it on, he's going to get it right in the face. But anyway...
it depends how low it is.
It's true.
May get it somewhere else.
But I feel really sorry for him. But
me
he's
too.
got some real problems with that pipe.
Right.
It's time.
Sorry, Abraham. Wish we had better news for you.
Yep.
All right. Well, we'll give you the straight answer, right or wrong, good or bad. All you got to do is go to Home Show Radio and click on the Ask Tom button. Then Magical Elves Behind the Scene will route your question to me and Tom, and we'll answer them in one of these upcoming videos.